This house was built in 24 hours. How? Thanks to modern technology, Inisfree 3D printing. Inisfree, building the future today.
3D printing, I think I've heard about it. But it must be so expensive. I don't think it's possible right now. But I've heard that you can make some stuff, some little stuff.
The house in 24 hours. No way.
في رأيي أن التكنولوجيا المضافة سوف يكون لها مستقبل عظيم.
Y claro que gracias a este método podemos volver a construir las viviendas más baratas y más accesibles.
Printed house? Why not? Why not? I think it's a good idea. Well, it should be the same, just like other houses.
والبناء على طريقة 3D سيفتح آفاق جديدة وفرص عظيمة للمستقبل.
Sounds interesting.
Construction 3D printing and its advantages have been known for a long time, but it didn't leave the facilities of closed factories. Existing printers are big and bulky, have a portal design, have height restrictions for printed buildings, as well as are difficult to transport and assemble on site. This is an expensive novelty which could never find a wide application in the construction industry. These printers print only separate walls and sections of buildings, and subsequent assembling is inevitable. The walls of this house were printed entirely on site. This is the world's first actually printed house. With the advent of Inisfree technology, construction 3D printing opens a new round of evolution thanks to the innovative design of the printer. Inisfree technology consists of a mobile construction 3D printer and automatic mix and supply unit, which combine to make the construction printing process as much automated as possible and almost eliminate the human factor. This equipment is unique and has no analogs in the world today. Inisfree is compact dimensions, high printing speed, ease of transport, and maximum automation of the system. Commissioning on site takes no more than an hour. With so many advantages, the 3D printing technology easily accounted for competition with traditional methods of construction. The testing was successful and the technology is ready for mass use. Our project has been implemented at the coldest time of the year. Application of the concrete mixture that is used as the ink is possible at temperatures from 5 degrees Celsius above zero. The equipment can operate at temperatures as low as minus 35 degrees Celsius. However, the problem was easily solved by installing the protective tent, which supported the required temperature. Time of printing amounted to 24 hours. Soon, using new materials such as geopolymer concrete, houses could be printed in both summer and winter. In the printing process, we used horizontal fiberglass reinforcements for the walls. The quality of the printed wall surface allows to perform final finishing immediately, which significantly reduces the cost of finishing works. The roof of the printed house, in accordance with the architectural project, is flat. Such a roof can effectively withstand high snow loads and durability requirements. Its cost is comparable with steep roofs, which are common for our country. Inisfree construction 3D printing technology adapted for different methods of printed walls thermal insulation. This project used loose dry insulating material on one part of the house and polyurethane filler composition on the other. Technology does not require fixtures and fills all voids in the space between the bearing wall and the outer concrete structure, avoids the formation of cold bridges. On the inside, the printed house is no different from a regular concrete house. It is also comfortable and reliable. The house interior includes a hall, a bathroom, a living room, and a compact functional kitchen with the most modern appliances. The house size is 38 square meters. Construction costs amounted to $10,134, which corresponds to approximately $275 per square meter. And this, in view of the shape complexity of the building. Prices include all works and materials for the construction of foundation, roof, exterior and interior finishing works, installation of heat insulation of walls, windows, floors, and ceilings. A regular square house made using materials of an average price category would cost about $223 per square meter. The use of Apis Core Construction 3D printer allows to save up to 70% on erecting buildings boxes compared to traditional material and labor-intensive construction methods. The Apis Core Company and its partners are confident that this house was the first step which convinced the world that 3D technology on the market today is a reality. 3D printers enter the global market and construction sites worldwide. Apis Core, building the future today.